In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from a Grafana panel to a CSV file. If you've ever needed to share data with teammates, analyze it in a spreadsheet, or archive results outside Grafana, this quick export is exactly what you need. Start by signing in to Grafana Cloud so you can access your dashboards. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Dashboards. This opens your list of dashboards. Find and open the one that contains the specific panel you want to export. It helps to confirm you're looking at the correct time range and any active filters or variables, because the export will reflect exactly what the panel is showing. On the panel you want to export, move to the top of that panel and click the panel title. This brings focus to the panel's own options. Next, look toward the top right corner of the panel for the three-dot menu. Click that, then choose Inspect and select Data. The Inspect view shows you the underlying data that powers the panel, essentially the query results, laid out in rows and columns. It's a great place to quickly verify that you're exporting the precise data you expect. Now, to get your file, simply click Download CSV. Your browser will immediately download a CSV file to your computer. By default, most browsers save it to the Downloads folder, unless you've set a custom location or enabled prompts. The file name typically includes the panel name and a timestamp, making it easy to identify later. You can open the CSV in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or any text editor to continue your analysis or share it with others. A quick but important note: CSV export is per panel, not the entire dashboard at once. If you need data from multiple panels, you'll repeat the export for each one. Also, only panels that actually render data, such as table, time series, or stat, support CSV export. If you don't see the option, make sure the panel has data within the selected time range and that you have the necessary permissions. Refreshing the panel or adjusting filters can help if the data hasn't loaded yet. And that's how you export Grafana panel data to CSV. Quick and easy. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tutorials.